Hi. If you are um, interested in doing some work with the silks, sling, hammock, we are running online aerial yoga trainings. You can find the courses there, 60-minute classes, or you can find the aerial yoga teacher training if you would like to become an instructor of aerial yoga. So the training is accessible online. It's all videos on demand, so you can learn material in the comfort of your home or garden, hanging from the tree, or having the setup in your house. You can learn it on your conditions, on your terms and conditions, whenever you feel like, and the material is available there for you. You can learn it within 1 week, within 2 days. It's really up to you, to your pace. And it's recommended that you have been practicing yoga for quite a while, and maybe you have already done some aerial yoga that would help. And it would even be better if you're already a yoga teacher or any other mind-body practitioner or fitness instructor. However, the training is accessible to everybody and everybody can learn it. So check it out. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And you can find the information on the website flowmove.eu. Flowmove.eu. There is an online movement academy where you can find the information about the courses. And we've got a special offer due to the COVID-19 coronavirus crisis. If you are willing to do this training, you are going to be paying basically half of the price, because we are going to offer you extra classes which are available there on sale, but you're gonna have them for free, and also you're gonna have a discounted price of the training. So if you are interested, please visit the website and send me an email, and I will send you the voucher to claim the offer. And you can become an aerial yoga teacher from the comfort of your home or garden. And thank you very much for listening to. And if you want to have more free content, you can follow me on social media, on YouTube, Facebook, also Instagram, of course. And you will find me as a FlowMove. My name is Joanna Puchala. Also, all the details are in the description, so you can check out the posts and you can get in touch with me. So flowmove.eu, all the info is there. Get in touch to claim the voucher for the discounted online aerial yoga teacher training. Thank you very much. Have a nice Easter time. Enjoy your